we will requesting Master Yul Romo of the Kali Pamantukan. Igso Yul Romo will demonstrate the original Romo style of what we call the doble baston. Ako mag-feed ba? Solo baston? Okay. With his partner. Is the great grandson of one of the great escrimadors in Cebu, Islao Romo in Central Cebu. That is the original Kali Pamantukan as practiced by the Kali Muslim warriors in Mindanao. So I will now demonstrate what we call the clearing technique in Solo Baston. The original name of Solo Baston is what we call Pangilok. Pangilok technique. Alright, tres pasadas, tres andanas. That is tres pasadas, tres andanas. Contraserrada, atraca a la contraserrada. Those are preparatory to what we call disarming technique. So in Mindanao, the original stick fighting was called Pamantukan. Okay. Now, Solo Baston contra Solo Baston as part of the what we call the contra training. Disarming. By the way, Master Yul Romo is also one of the most senior students of Tapang Ilustrisimo. Okay. That is Songkindi Tutsada et Floride Real. That is what they call the trapping technique or gulot sa ulo. So they are all battle tested techniques. For 2,000 years it was tested during the Sri Vijayan and the Majapahit Empire. Okay. Thank you. So we will now give the floor to the Samahang Armies ng Muntinlupa. Yes. Modifications and innovations in Dagay-Daga. Contradas y recontradas. First, we will demonstrate the empty hand. The empty hand technique against pakal. So you reverse and then you use the weapon of your opponent. Dagay-dag or what we call kutsilyo, but in Panay they call it the dagaso technique. So there is a slash, a cut, and a thrust. So in actual parlance, the arm is already cut. See? So one attack, 3 counters. 2 attacks, 5 counters. Oh, you see? That is takedown technique. So you could imagine the damage that could be done in actual combat. So that is a simulated fight. So in actual combat, before the attack of the opponent arrives, he's already down. That's why in the tournament we will emphasize the blade orientation. The stick is only a training device. Okay. The name Grandmaster.